Good morning Year 3, today's date is Friday the 11th of December. Our learning objective for today is to develop mental strategies for multiplication. Your steps to success are to double two-digit numbers, to spot what happens in the 4 times table, and to double a number twice to multiply by 4. The vocabulary you'll hear me use today in today's session is 2 times table, 4 times table, double and partitioning. For your starter today, I would like you to double these numbers: 6, 12, 8, 5, 15 and 17. Pause the video to have a go and then press play and I'll reveal the answers. Here are the answers for the starter. Remember, doubling is multiplying by 2. So double 6 is 12. Double 12 is 24. Double 8 is 16. Double 5 is 10. Double 15 is 30 and double 17 is 34. For that last number you may have partitioned into the 10s and the 1s. So 17 you may have doubled the 10 and then doubled the 7 and then recombined. Our learning today will focus on multiplying numbers by 4. So to start with, I would like you to write down your 2 times table in your book. Then I would like you to write down your 4 times table. Pause this video to write down your tables. Here are the answers to the 2 times table and the 4 times table. Have a check to see if you have got the 2's and the 4 times tables correct. Pause the video before moving on. What did you notice about the 2 times table and the 4 times table when you wrote these down? Having a look at these 2 columns written here. What are the similarities? What has happened in the 4 times table? Pause the video. You may want to discuss this with your adult at home, or you may want to write a sentence about it underneath your times tables. When we look closely, we can see that the 4 times table are always doubling the 2 times table. 6 times 2 is 12, and then double 12 is 24 for 6 times 4. 11 times 2 is 22, and then double 22 is 44 when we do 11 times 4. We can multiply large numbers by 4 by doubling and doubling again. We're first going to look together at finding 13 times 4. I would like you first of all to double 13. Pause the video to have a go and then press play to reveal the answer. Well done if you got the first step correct. Double 13 is 26. Now the second part, we want to now double 26. We could do this by partitioning into the 10s and the 1s. So double 20 and then double 6. Let's look at the answer then to finding 13 times 4. First we doubled 13 to get 26. Then we doubled 26. All together we get 52. Double 20 was 40. Double 6 was 12. When we recombine and add those together, we get 52. Now it's your turn to have a go at these 2 questions. I would like you to find 16 times 4 and 22 times 4, and I would like you to use the mental strategy of doubling and doubling again. Set your answers like I have modelled below. Pause the video to have a go at these 2 questions. On the next slide I will reveal the answer. Let's look at 16 times 4. First, we doubled 16 times 2, we get 32. Then we double again. 32 times 2 equals 64. So 16 times 4 is 64. Can you see why? We had 2 lots of timesing by 2 in that calculation, and we know that 2 times 2 is 4. That's why we double and double again. Let's look at the next one, 22 times 4. Double 22 is 44, then we double 44, we get 88. So 22 times 4 is 88. Your task for today is to choose one of the challenges below, bronze, silver or gold. You are going to be using the mental strategy for multiplying by 4, using double and doubling again. Work through each set in order. In the bronze, your first set of numbers are 6, 8, 12, 9, 11, 7, 15 and 20. Silver, you have 14, 16, 13, 24, 21, 22, 30 and 35. And gold, you have 23, 25, 50, 31, 42, 28, 90 and 102. Pause the video to have a go at the challenges, or go back through the video to remind yourself what strategies you need to be using. And today I'll give you a Mastery Monkey challenge. If you want to have a go at this one, pause the video, or if you would like to skip ahead to the answers, that's on the next section. So I'll read through the Mastery Monkey if you would like. Every day, a bag of magic marbles multiplies itself by 4. There are 6 magic marbles in the bag today. So how many will there be in 2 days' time? At what point will there be over 250 marbles? Pause the video to have a go at this Mastery Monkey. In a few slides' time, I've also given you the answers, so you can always skip ahead if you would like to, just to see how I have worked it out for you. Okay? Here are your answers to the challenges today. So self-assess, marking your own work. Lovely to hear what score you get at the end of it. Pause the video to do your self-assessment. Next video, I will show you the answers to the Mastery Monkey question. So here is how you solve the Mastery Monkey challenge for today. I'll read out the question again. Every day, a bag of magic marbles multiplies itself by 4. There are 6 magic marbles in the bag today. So how many will there be in 2 days' time? We'll have a look at that part first. So today, we know there are 6 magic marbles. Tomorrow, we know that the magic marbles multiplies itself by 4. So for tomorrow, the calculation we want to do is 6 times 4. 2 days' time is what we want to find out. So we use 24 and we're multiplying that by 4. So double 24 and then double again, we get 96. So in 2 days' time, there'll be 96 magic marbles. The second part of that question was, at what point will there be over 250 marbles? Now I had to use a calculator for this one because it was quite tricky to do, but you may have used partitioning to help you for today. So we are trying to multiply 96 by 4. So if we partition that, we want double 90 and then double 6, and then we put those together. We get 192, I believe. And then we want to double that again. So in 3 days' time, we have 384 marbles. So on day 3, there'll be over 250 marbles. So we've come to the end of today's lesson, looking at developing mental strategies for multiplication. So you should be able to self-assess and think about whether you have doubled your 2-digit numbers. Could you spot what happens in the 4 times table? And could you double a number twice to multiply by 4? If you've done all of those things today, well done. And just think about our 4 key questions on the side in blue. Okay, well done year 3 today. I think you've worked really, really hard, and I cannot wait to see your work. So don't forget to take lots of photos of your work, especially in maths, and email those to myself or Miss Samani, where we can have a look and see if you need any extra help. Okay, bye bye.